I know it has been in your mind to buy Ulti in order for you to capture the distribution they're going to pay this Friday. The announcement will come tomorrow. So before going forward and buy ULTY, you need to hear these few reasons why you should not buy. So today Ulti went down about 4 cents or 0.71%, and after hours seem to be going up. Trend of Ulti, the way I observe, is that today, for example, you're seeing is going down. Tomorrow is going to be announcement buying. There are going to be a lot of people who will jump into buying Ulti because they want to capture the distribution they're going to pay on Friday. But here's what most people don't know. So tomorrow is Wednesday. They are going to announce, and an X date and record date is going to be on Thursday. So what happens is on Thursday, we will most likely see the share price go down. If not Thursday, it's going to be Friday. So they always deduct the amount they're going to pay. So for example, let's say it goes up by 10 cents, that will be about 5.76. So what's going to happen is on Thursday, on the record date, the share price will open minus the distribution. So if they pay 12 cents, 12 cents will come down, or if they pay 10 cents, 10 cents will come down. So that's the reason you should not buy Ulti just because you want to capture the distribution for this coming Friday. But if you want to invest in Ulti for long term, that's a different story. But what I would recommend is you have to wait at least till Friday to buy Ulti if you want to have sustainable distribution going forward. But if you just want to buy to capture distribution, just don't do that because it does not work. So that's just kind of quick update I wanted to give you about Ulti or buying Ulti to capture the distribution, because a lot of people have talked about that strategy. But again, I can confirm that strategy does not work. What happened today in the market? A lot of ETFs were down, but the other thing is MSTY went up about 2%, as you can see here. NVDY went down about 162. This is an ETF that I made a video a couple days ago about how you can generate a lot of money with NVDY, and we can see QDTE. This is from Roundhill, went down. MSTW went more than actually MSTY. This MSTW is from Roundhill. So if you want to invest in a MicroStrategy ETF, you want to get paid weekly, then the ETF for you is going to be MSTW, because MSTY pays monthly and it pays weekly. But again, this is from Roundhill. SLT or Salty, this is an ETF pretty much like inverse, not 100%, but it's almost like inverse strategy as compared to ULTY. Then we have PLTY, was just almost flat. This is Apple from Roundhill, was also down quite a bit, 2.33%. And Apply, that's an Apple ETF from yieldmax, was also down. Tesla from Roundhill was down, and Tesla from yieldmax was also down massively. And the other very interesting ETF is this defines leveraged long plus income MicroStrategy ETF. Price today is 1086, but 52 week has range between $10 and $24, and annual expense ratio is 1.31. So if you want to get exposure on the leverage side of MicroStrategy, then this is an ETF for you. But the sustainability of this ETF, it's very questionable. I do think they pay monthly or weekly, don't quote me on that, but I made a video, I forgot. I have to go to the Defense website and see exactly what it is. But this is another ETF. If you are really interested with MSTR stock, then this is another ETF you can buy. So for people who are very interested with MSTR stock, you can have MSTY. This is from yieldmax. You can have MSTW from Roundhill, and you can have MST. This is from Defiance. But the two ETFs that I would lean towards more would be MSTW or MSTY. And for obvious reason, because these two ETFs have more of kind of sensible strategy that I can understand better than this ETF. So guys, I just made this quick video to keep you up to date and to touch base on MSTY, to keep you up to date with the market trend for today, and to warn people who want to do deep capture for ULTY. Please bear in mind the price will come down. So those are the few things that I want to keep you updated on. So if you find value in this video, please smash the like button. And if you don't want to miss any of the important update for your income ETFs, please consider subscribing, and don't forget to share with someone you think this video might help. Thank you very much for watching. I'll catch you on the next video. Bye bye.